dog, in cow, in donkey, in mouth, in in body. What a dangerous rascal spirit couldn't understand, you know. The name where the name the sitting behind the man named Key. It's 3 demons from upper Mars, they name it after name Cocky Head 1, 2, and 3. The amount of man we put in a problem is the only God he can control it, you know. Because when he start to push out, it a put in head how him a go broke. And you see by him broke, I don't have family court they have him. You know, so some of them woman them a run. Well, some go in a prison, right? Who do it? Cocky Head 1, 2, and 3. Because he can't manage him. Because he is a deadly spirit. The man not talking now. The man only hack. Right? When you say silent river run deep, the breeder work Head 1, 2, and 3 I do. And when he done, if a him fish a him, he drop back on that